Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix widescreen into your WhatsApp in your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the issue, first of all, you have to know the reason. The first and very common reason might be the internet problem into your computer. Try to fix your internet if that's the case. And in the second case, it might be because of the server problems of WhatsApp. If server is having any kind of interruptions, this kind of problems will appear. Just simply wait for some hours or minutes until they fix the server problem if it's the case. And now another possibility might be your computer. If your computer is outdated to handle the new version of WhatsApp, this problem might appear. Now in this case, you just simply have to check your device specs and WhatsApp requirements. Then after that, you should check the personalization setting of WhatsApp. In order to do that, just simply go to this setting option and after that select personalizations into here. And now into app color theme, just simply choose dark into here and click to OK. And you can also customize other options into here. And after doing this some very easy steps, your problem might get solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.